Hi, I am Renugadevi. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS Radhalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about the some important definitions considered under the GST. First, anti-dumping duty. So, how to define this particular concept in the sense anti-dumping duty? It is a kind of tax imposed on some imported goods to compensate for the difference between their export price and their normal value. Actually, that particular imported goods, when we are going to suppose to import any items, preferably for some kind of mobiles and all, okay, or any electronic items which is already available in our market, but even though we have to import the particular items from the abroad country, at that time we have to compensate that particular the price between the export and the normal value which is available in the Indian market. Okay, so what is the purpose we are collecting this duty? In the sense, it is nothing but we have to protect our domestic industries from injury caused by the dumping activities. Okay, so domestic industry in the sense, it's nothing but what are all the item we have to manufacture within our India, that is called the domestic industry. Next definition, we move to important, and that is a countervailing duty. So this is one of the main important concept under the GST. Okay, this is also call it as a CVD, countervailing duty. So actually, it is a specific form of duty that the government imposes in order to protect domestic producers by countering the negative impact of some import subsidies. So any of the person, they have to receive the some government subsidies related to their manufacturing item. So at that time, we have to collect the duty or the tax, is call it as a countervailing duty. So the purpose of collecting this duty is nothing but we have to seek to remedy, not punish, an unfair pricing of the imported goods. And also this imposed on generally benefit the domestic producers by causing the occasion of the or reduction of any unfair traded imports, or by causing their prices to be increased. So this is the purpose only we are collecting this category of duty. Next, we move to customs airport. So, under this concept, it is an airport. It is a place which where government officials control the flow of people and goods entering and leaving the country. Any category, that is either the people or any goods, we have to enter and leaving the country. So customs officers at an airport, they have to inspect the luggage and their cargo and check the travel documents to ensure the compliance with immigration laws. So this is the call customs airport. It's a place we have to check on, control or regulate all the activities which is happening either the entering and leaving a country itself. Next we move to next definition. We have to define the privileged person. Okay, the privileged person is a someone who is allowed to import or buying any goods without paying the customs duty for either the personal or the official usage. Okay, so privileged person, who is called the privileged person, is nothing but we can include the diplomat person and consular officers and other officials. So these are all coming under the privileged person category. So they can import goods for personal use, for family members, or either the official use. It extent of the duty free privileges depends on the individual status. Next we move to the another definition, and also we have to clear all the category. It's coming under the some important definitions we have to discuss earlier. Okay. Now we are going to take the next concept, features of customs duty. What is the main features or characteristics under we are collecting the custom duty is first regulating the international trade, protection of economics and revenue generation, distinct rate for different product and clearance requirement. These are the some important features. Next, what are the advantages? Protecting our local industry, revenue generation, promoting export, ensuring the fair competition and economic policy tool. These are all coming under the some advantages.